Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to learn in simple steps how to do front parking. Okay, so before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now and switch on the notifications so that you get answers to my you get notifications to my videos straight away. So guys, the first thing you need to know when you do front parking is the distance. You see in this camera, like this spot, it ends here, and where is my car standing here. So I have made a significant distance between the spot where I'm gonna park and the location where I am. So this is really critical, because if the distance is not sufficient, you won't be able to take a sharp turn. So first, take your car as much distance as possible so that you can really get into the correct position. Okay, all right. So now first thing is to do. Second thing is decide the spot where you are going to park. So you see three spots here, spot 1, 2, 3. So my intention is to go into spot number 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to parallelly from this position, I'm going to move forward. And I'm going to take my shoulder in line with mid of this spot 2. So this is spot 1, 2, 3. I'm going to park in 3. So my shoulder will be straight to slot 2. It will be in line with in mid of slot 2. I'll make my shoulder straight to the middle of slot 2, and then I will go. So first of all, and of course, like, keep checking your mirror, keep checking everything, but the very first thing is go till the middle as I'm moving now, and I have reached in middle. Okay, so as I see, I have reached middle. Like, sometimes based on your car model and all, it may not be exactly in middle. In that case, do practice to do it correct for you. Next is to give the indication. So I'm going to take a turn to my left. So I'm going to do the left indication. If it is right, you need to go to the other side and indicate towards right. All right. Next is check your mirror, check your blind spot, everything, and then make the complete turn of the wheel towards the direction, and then slowly release the brake. And as you see that I am getting into the spot, and once you are straight into the spot, straight your wheel, and then that's it. You are into the spot. Sometimes you may need to do some minor adjustment, but this is the basic principle, and through that you can do. And make sure, like, when you park and in your drive test, when you park it, and if it is the end, or like if generally they ask you to do it at the end. So, and when you park, pull the hand brake up as well. So this is how simple it is, guys. If you come across any doubt, any question, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, guys.